It's your boy Robert here. I'm with Jesse here. I'm vlogging with the GoPro Max, which has 360 capability. But yeah, we stay here 2 nights in this hotel, Econo Lounge here in Portland, right across the cemetery. Highly recommended, guys. The room was very clean actually, and yeah, new carpet, guys. New carpet. And yeah, very convenient. It's close to that freeway 213, so it's really convenient. And the staff, Summit at the front desk was really good, really nice. So overall, we originally was gonna stay here just for 1 night, but since we liked it so much, we made it for 2 nights, guys. So yeah, now we're gonna head over to the beach and explore the Gold Coast, guys. So Joni's gonna do some work now. Joni's on deck now. Joni's turn to work hard on this trip. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, so we made it to Cannon Beach, but it is freezing over here, right, Jess? What do you think?
Something
Huh?
more protects.
Okay, more protect. Yeah, it is freezing, guys, and it is windy, and it's rainy. Not rainy, but the flowers. This place has a lot of nice little shops, a whole bunch of restaurants. But yeah, I don't know. Let's go check out the beach. All right, guys. We're at Cannon Beach because I wanted to take a look at all these beautiful, whatever it's called over there, guys. Oh, look, little Pirates of the Caribbean action, Jess. Oh. You can go down. Oh. Nice. Ooh, cool. Alright, guys, we're over here at what's this place called again? What the Ecola Seafood. Ecolab. Ecola Seafood Market and Restaurant, guys. Just got the shrimp and what is it? Shrimp and what? Yes.
Crab.
Shrimp and crab combo.
So they give me the boat, small boat.
Yeah, you got a small boat. Yeah, we thought it was a bigger boat, but I guess not. Guess you're in a thirsty spot, that's why. Everything is pretty much expensive, but you know what? Come here for the experience, right?
Very small. I rather go hunting my prawns. They'd rather be bigger than this.
Oh yeah? Prawns. We're in here because, yeah, we're hungry, and most importantly, it's cold outside. I did fly the drone a little bit. I tried to walk around a little bit, but you know what? It is so windy and cold here, guys. Oh my god. Look at that. And, alright, guys. I ordered 2 clam chowders, and I got the fish and chips, so I'll show you guys in a few. Alright, guys. Here are our 2 cups of clam chowder. I guess he's gonna dive in because she's cold. It's good, Jess? Yeah? What? You good? And there's some fish and chips, guys. Alright, I'm gonna eat. What's up, guys? So we pulled to the side because we've seen this nice scenic area, guys. It looks like a place you'd see in Pirates of the Caribbean movie or something, right, Jess?
Oh yeah, just like the
Yeah.
movie they're making right
And
here.
Jess found a new friend over there. Right there, Mr. Seagull, waiting for food, as always. But yeah,
Waiting for food. Do you want to eat?
check this out, guys. Check this out.
So I'll go give a food then.
Check this out.
Let's see, they go eat.
My camera. Hold on, guys.
Are you guys fighting? That's orange.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, friend. I have to find something else. I don't know what Penny is eating.
Feeding the wildlife, guys.
Right there. So what is this? It's disgusting. Hey friend, you're going down now? Hoy! Where are you guys going? No. I like more food. We have more right here. Don't tell anybody there because we don't have enough. Oh. Saka, we have food there. Let's go. Go on the top. Come on. See, they're mating with them. Oh.
Alright, guys, it's your boy Robert here. I do apologize about the shaky video, but it is just too cold, guys. But you know what? It is still beautiful, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. We got the lighthouse out in the distance. Look at that. Yeah, so beautiful. So beautiful. Yes! Yes! What do you think of this area?
Cold.
It's cold?
Yeah, cold.
What's up, guys? So yeah, there's a lighthouse way over there, guys. Look at that. Let's see the light. Let's see the light. Let's see the light. There it is. Let's zoom in more. Cool. And there's a nice beach area.
Right there.
Down.
See lions.
Oh, let's see the sea lions, guys. Let's see. I see them. Hope you guys see them too.
Wow.
Alrighty now.
Right there.
Okay, hold on, guys. Oh, I see them. I see them.
Right there.
Alrighty.
There.
Oh, there they are. There they are. Hold on. Oh my god, guys, they're right over here. Check it out, guys. They're all over there. There's a whole bunch of them. Woo. Woo.
there. One of bunch right there. One of group. The group right there by the ocean. Wow, that's cool. They're having fun. The rest is just like...
It's cold, guys. Sorry. Yes. Interview.
Interview?
Yeah, where are we, honey?
I don't know. Hotel? I don't know that place.
Huh?
I don't know that place name.
Alright. Alright, guys. I'll tell you. Alright, guys. So, yeah. We spent the night over here at the, what's it called? Pacific Reef Hotel. Here in the Gold Beach, I guess it's called, area. And I'm gonna say, guys, for the money, it's well worth it, guys. Nice, very clean. Yeah. Got some amenities. Bathroom's pretty cool. And the parking actually is really good. I love it. Love these hotels where you can just park right in front. Right, Jess?
Yeah.
Right in front of your hotel room. So once we open up that door, there's our vehicle just right there. Like 2 steps and you're right there. Oh, you can just leave it, honey.
But you have to sign.
No, I don't have to. I already paid. I already paid. I booked this through Travelocity, so it's all prepaid. Yeah, most of the time, I don't check out at the front desk anymore because you know what? They have my credit card. If they overcharge me or anything, I can just dispute it. I'm good to go. I'm just gonna leave a tip, and then we're heading over to one of the main reasons why I actually wanted to come to Oregon. This is the main reason, but the bummer part of it is the weather sucks. I can't fly my drone. I'm not sure what the view will be like, but you know what? We're here. We'll make the best out of it, and we're heading down. It's about a 16-minute drive, or less than that, to the Arch Point, I believe it's called. So yeah, guys. Totally excited. Even if we can see a little bit of it, you know, I'll be happy, guys. I'll be happy. If not, hey, more reasons for us to come back. Actually, I think it's a short drive from like San Francisco or something. That'd be cool. All right, guys, let's go. Woo! Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Holy camole. Beautiful. Arch Rock viewpoint. What's that? Let's go look over there. Oh, let's take a... I know. Woo. Let's take a 360, guys. Alright, guys. So yeah. Can't fly my drone, guys, but nonetheless, the view is just spectacular, guys. I mean the storm adds a new element to it, guys. Look at it. Wow. It looks fake, guys. It looks fake. That's how nice it looks. It looks so beautiful. It looks fake. It looks like picturesque, guys. Oh my God. It's cold too, guys. It's cold. Cold. Hi, Jess. Interview.
No interview.
Where are we now, Jess? What's up, guys? I can't show my face because I have my zoom lens on, but we're over, so you can't even see it. Ramada, guys. Ramada. Near. Oh, you see my reflection. That's what you can see. What's up, guys? Check out my hairdo. Yeah, so for our last night, decided just to get a hotel that is near the airport, which is like 4 minutes away, guys. So, and you know, it's not too bad over here at the Ramada. Look at this whole bunch of space that you can't really see because of my zoom lens. I do apologize, guys. Let me step back again. There you go. Pretty good size. It's like a pretty big bar area, Jess.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You got that door over there. Probably if you have a big family, right, Jess? You can book 2 rooms.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, not too bad, guys. So what I'm gonna do now? Got my laptop over here. I'm gonna copy my drone footage just to make sure I have an extra copy, just in case. Alright, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Here we go.